Hello, learners. Let me ask you something. Have you ever started reading an English book, only to feel totally lost after the third sentence? Too many big words, confusing grammar, and you end up thinking, maybe English just isn't for me. Well, don't give up just yet, because today I'm going to show you a life-changing method using ChatGPT plus graded readers. A smart and super simple way to speak, read, and understand English fluently. Learn smarter, not harder. What's a graded reader? And why should you care? Imagine reading a story, written just for your level. No hard words, no tricky grammar, just real, easy English that flows. That's a graded reader, a special book or story written for English learners at different levels. Beginner, A1. Elementary, A2. Intermediate, B1 to B2. Advanced, C1 to C2. You don't need to start with Harry Potter or Shakespeare. You can start with Anna goes to the market. She buys apples. She smiles. And here's where ChatGPT becomes your personal tutor. Now imagine you're not learning alone. What if you had an English tutor who's available 24/7, never gets tired, and never judges you for your mistakes? That's where ChatGPT comes in. You can ask it, what does this sentence mean? Can you translate this into my language? Make this paragraph easier. Test me with a quiz. Let's act like we're at a restaurant. It's like having a private English coach in your pocket. How to use graded readers with ChatGPT, step by step. Let's break it down in 7 steps. Step 1. Find a short story. At your level, use websites like free stories on Google, like a 1 graded reader PDF. Now copy the first few paragraphs into ChatGPT and say, let's read this together. Please help me understand each sentence. Step 2. Read out loud or use ChatGPT as a narrator. Ask, can you read this story sentence by sentence and wait for me to repeat after you? Boom! Now you're practicing pronunciation and listening. You speak, you repeat, you improve. Step 3. Ask questions like a curious child. You see this line, Anna bought some apples. Ask ChatGPT, what does bought mean? Is bought past or present? Give me 3 more sentences with bought. You're not memorizing, you're absorbing. Step 4. Practice role play. Let's say the story is about going to a store. Say, let's pretend I'm Anna and you are the shopkeeper. Let's role play this scene. Step 5. Translate and compare. Tell ChatGPT, translate this paragraph into Urdu, Hindi, etc. Then say, now remove the translation. I want to try reading it myself. This helps you think in English, not just translate it. Step 6. Ask for a quiz. At the end of the story, say, can you quiz me with 5 questions about what I read? Step 6. Ask for a quiz. At the end of the story, say, can you quiz me with 5 questions about what I read? Step 7. Write your own ending. Say, give me writing prompts to complete this story. Or what if Anna went to the zoo instead of the market? Help me write a new version. This improves creative writing and thinking in English. Why this method works like magic. You're reading content at your level. You're learning words in context, not in isolation. You're practicing all 4 skills: reading, listening, speaking, writing, and best of all, you're not bored. No more dry textbooks. No more memorizing long word lists. Just you, a story, and an AI that helps you every step of the way. Here's a live example. You. ChatGPT. I want to learn with a short story at a 1 level. ChatGPT. Sure. Here's a story. John wakes up early. He eats eggs and toast. Then he goes to work. You. What does toast mean? ChatGPT. It's bread that is browned by heat. You. Can we role-play this? I'm John, you ask me questions. Simple. Fun, powerful. Do this 10 to 15 minutes every day. Record yourself speaking and ask ChatGPT for feedback. Use ChatGPT on your phone while reading in bed or on the bus. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. ChatGPT never judges. The best way to learn English is not by memorizing rules, but by using English. With stories, with curiosity, with fun. And ChatGPT is the best learning buddy you've never had, until now. So what are you waiting for? Pick a story, open ChatGPT, and start your English journey today. If you found this helpful, hit that like, subscribe, and comment below. I'm starting my first graded reader today. I'll reply with encouragement and some extra tips.